right, bro. What you trying to do? Like a mid fade?
Yeah, kind of like I guess like a ball fade.
Ball fade to
Yeah.
cover up the spot?
Yeah, and then like a
Got you.
taper over line, especially in the front.
Got you. You cool with a little bit of enhancements on your line?
Yeah.
Okay. And you cool if I bring the fade up up to like right here?
Yeah, that's
Got
cool.
you. What about the beard? Want to trim it a little bit?
Yeah.
Shape it up?
Shape it up.
Shape the mustache up?
Yeah.
Got you. Bet. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube. So we're going to start this haircut off. As you can see, he has kind of like an alopecia spot in the back of his head. So we're going to do the fade to basically mask it, to cover it up temporarily, of course. So we're going to start off by just trimming the hairs in between, like at the top of his fade, just to kind of set our baseline for the fade. And he usually gets his hair braided, I believe. This is my first time cutting him. That's why it's like in a puffy ponytail. So I'm gonna start my baseline for the fade, and we're basically just gonna match it up with the bald spot to cover it up perfectly. So as you can see, I'm like matching it up right with it. That way, once we're done the fade, it's just gonna basically, you could probably still see the light spot, but it won't be as noticeable, obviously. So we're gonna start the fade process. Simple. There's thousands of videos teaching you how to fade. I'm not gonna teach you, I'm just gonna show you. This is probably one of the easiest fades you're gonna do because you're fading into an already established length. I like to go back to my detachables sometimes just to kind of clean up that bottom line. And now I'm just using my corners. We're gonna fade in his beard. He didn't want any length off. Even though it's a bit patchy, we're gonna try and... Want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info. He didn't want any length off. We're just gonna try and blend it in as best as we can. Same thing with the other side. I ain't gonna lie, this side faded like butter. This joint was butter. So for the back, I didn't realize that the bald spot kind of spread up a little bit, so I kind of had to push this fade up a little bit in the back. As you can see, I'm holding up his long hairs with the comb, and I'm going straight up with my one guard. Under that, I'm gonna grab my zero real quick. and that's going to fade pretty much right in, but under that we're still going to have to do some more fading. I grab my 0.5 guard with wall, and that gets closer than the end is 0. So different guards cut, like they can be the same number, but depending on the brand they're going to cut differently. And finally I just do some detail work with no guard with my FXs. And as you can see, the fade, it came together nicely. It's pretty simple because we're not fading into long hair, we're fading into a short hair length due to the undercut. So for the line, his line, he got like a widow's peak, so we're gonna take it down with a 1 open and cut his peak off. So I started on the corners. Usually I start in the middle, but this time I just decided to start in the corner because he kind of got like a hairline that comes in heavy on both directions to the peak. So it's kind of like that avatar shape. And we kept the vertical bars dark so that the shape up can look clean naturally like this before we add enhancements. Now for the enhancements, I'm using Tomb 45 and I'm using a corded compressor just because that kind of gives me more power, more control. And I'm spraying lightly. You don't want to have it looking like the vertical bars are dark all the way down to the eyebrows. I used to make that mistake. You just want it to be nice and sharp, nothing too crazy. We're gonna shape the beard up. I would have loved to blend the length in, but he didn't want any length off, so. And we're gonna shape the mustache up real quick. Make sure it's nice and sharp, balanced. And under his neck, we're gonna get all those hairs under there. Give him a nice clean jawline. Now I'm using my razor. Use my discount code with Easy Blade Shaving Products. Website is down below. This is my client's reaction. As you can see, he was definitely satisfied. This is the before, and this is the after. It will definitely look clean with some braids. I think he went to get it braided after this. Definitely look dope. It's 4. I'm out. Peace.